In this video, we have been given that ABCD is a square and AP is equal to DP and CQ is 2, DQ is 4. Then we have to find area of BCQO. So ABCD, it is a square. That means AB, it will be equal to BC, it will be equal to CD, it will be equal to AD, and CD is 4 plus 2, that will be 6. So AB is 6, BC is 6, and we have AP is equal to DP, so it will be AD over 2, and it is 6 over 2, that will be 3. So AP is 3 and DP is 3, and now suppose this area is A1, this area is A2, and this area is A3. Then area of ABCQ, it will be 1 over 2 times AB plus CQ times height is BC, and it is A1 plus A2 is equal to 1 over 2 times AB is 6 plus CQ is 2 times BC is 6, and 2 times 3 is 6. So it is 8 times 3, that will be 24. So A1 plus A2, it is 24, and area of APB, it will be 1 over 2 times base is AP times height is AB, and area of APB, it is A3 plus A2, it is equal to 1 over 2 times AP is 3 times AB is 6, and 2 times 3 is 6. So it is 3 times 3, that will be 9. So A3 plus A2, it is 9. And suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, then equation 1 minus equation 2, it will be A1 plus A2 minus A3 plus A2 is equal to 24 minus 9, and A2 will get cancelled. So A1 minus A3, it is 15, and now if we extend AQ and BC. Suppose this point is M, then these two angles, they will be equal and 90 degrees, and these two angles will be equal. So triangle ADQ, it will be similar to triangle MCQ. Hence AD over MC, it will be equal to DQ over CQ, and AD is 3 plus 3, that will be 6 over MC is equal to DQ is 4 over CQ is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4, so 6 over MC is 2, so MC, it will be 6 over 2, that will be 3, MC is 3, and now in triangle AOP and triangle MOB, these two angles are equal, and these two angles will be equal, that are opposite angles. So triangle AOP, it will be similar to triangle MOB. Hence area of AOP over area of MOB, it will be AP over MB square, and area of AOP is A3 over, and area of MCQ, it will be 1 over 2 times base is 2 and height is 3, so it will be 3. This area is 3, so area of MOB, it will be A1 plus 3, it is A1 plus 3 is equal to AP is 3 over MB is 6 plus 3, that will be 9 square, and it is A3 over A1 plus 3 is equal to 1 over 3 square, and A3 over A1 plus 3 is equal to 1 over 9, and if we cross multiply, then 9 times A3, it will be A1 plus 3, and we have A1 minus A3 is 15. We have A1 minus A3 is 15. So A3, it will be A1 minus 15. So it is 9 times A3 is A1 minus 15. It is A1 plus 3, and it is 9A1 minus 135 is equal to A1 plus 3 and 9A1 minus A1, it will be 3 plus 135 and it is 8A1 is equal to 138. So A1, it will be 138 over 8 and 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 69 is 138. So A1, it is 69 over 4. So this area, it is 69 over 4